Are you currently wondering how you can make money online? Something that is really easy, doesn't take a long time to do, and some of it is even automated by using some free apps? Well, put that laptop down for a second and listen up. You can use your laptop, you can use your desktop, you might even be able to use a cell phone. And the cool thing about it is that I know there's a lot of things going on with Bitcoin and things look really up and up, but sometimes it can be confusing for people. And most of all, you want something that is free and easy to use. With the whole idea of going on that wonderful vacation you've always dreamed of, wouldn't it be great that you can have enough money to go wherever you want, however you want, spend as much money as you want, and have that freedom? Just take a few seconds here and think about your goals in life. What do you need to do to accomplish going on these European vacations? Or maybe even going to that wonderful place that you've always wanted to go, and that is called the beach. How about a nice beach vacation on an island in Saint somewhere? Would you agree? If you said yes to all of those questions I asked, then strap in and learn how you can make money online now.
But before we begin, please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you can get notified when I put up a new video. And would you also please click that like button down below? I would appreciate it. So now let's jump into the video.
Okay, so here is the first website that we're going to use. And this is called Design Crowd. Now, what is Design Crowd? Well, it's the world's #1 custom design marketplace where you, as a freelancer, can sell your services. It's similar to Fiverr.com, but this is specifically for people who are designers. And you could do logo design, business card design, web design, flyer design, graphic design, t-shirt design, and then in all sorts of different categories. You could do 3D design, advertisement, app design, apparel. I mean, it goes on and on and on. So the opportunities here are endless. I'm just letting you go through here. And you could do YouTube design, but we want to kind of stick to logo design. So what you want to do is you want to register and put in all of your information, and you can click here to see how it works and how much people are actually selling their services for. And what you want to do is click on jobs. And here are all the different jobs that people need help on, okay? And this is where you can sell your services to. All right, so I guess you can say that these are leads for you. But we want to go to logo design, and there's 216 logo design jobs that you can do. Now, I want you to see, bring your attention to over here. Okay, this is how much they're bidding for: 150 bucks, 150, 580 bucks, 110 pounds. In Scotland, $300, $300, and it goes on and on and on. So let's say the average is $300. Well, what's 300 times 216? Let's find out. I'm not good at math. 300 times 2 116 logo jobs. That comes to $64,800. I got to write that down. $64,800. Now, if you win all of these designs, these design bids, and they like your logos, and they want to buy from you, that's how much you'll make. But we have to take little steps in order to get there. So how are you going to make these designs? How are you going to make these logos? Well, you go over to another website called freelogodesign.org. freelogodesign.org. All right? And what you do is you log in over here. It's very simple. And you get an account, okay? And just go through all the different prompts there. And then you can create a logo in seconds. Free Logo Design is a free logo maker for entrepreneurs, small businesses, freelancers, and organizations to create professional-looking logos in minutes. Get a free logo for your website, your business cards, or correspondence. And oh, by the way, you can use this site for your own business. It says our user-friendly editor will help you create the perfect logo for your business, sports club, organization, etc. in just a few clicks. Simply select a template from a variety of options and edit your logo until you are completely satisfied, and download your logo free of charge. So, how do you do it? You choose a name for your business, choose a template amongst thousands of free logos inside the editor, customize your logo by changing the color, shape, font, etc., and download your free logo or purchase a high-resolution version. And I would probably go with purchasing a higher resolution version as long as it doesn't, it's out of your budget. It's 100% free to use, it's user-friendly, and they have thousands upon thousands of logo templates you can choose from. And you can create a brand to your image or your client's image, and it's a tool that's used in the creation of several businesses. You can make professional logos. So here's some of the logos that they have. You want to click View All Logos? You can do that too. So here are some of the examples. Pretty cool and pretty professional looking as well. So anyways, go ahead and check this out. And then, if the company likes your design, you might be able to make $240 or $150. It's that simple, and you can do it in minutes. Not days, but minutes. The only problem is there is a problem. You can see here that they have 5 designs and 4 designers working on this already. And you have 23 hours left until an award is given to one of these designers. So you have to look at these. All right. Now 580. This project has been marked as private by the customer. To view the details of this brief, users must sign in or log into Design Crowd, which is absolutely free to use. All right, see, it says join for free. So that's about it for this lesson. If you like what you've seen, please hit that bell icon so you can get push notifications after you hit the subscribe button. I'm going backwards here. And don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with everybody you know, especially people who want to do some freelancing. This is a great little tutorial on how this works, and if you want more information, you can click this button here to see how it works, okay? And you can sign up for free. It's awesome. So, like I said, if you have any questions, please put them in the comments. I'll try to get an answer out to you. And also, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you can get push notifications every single time I put up a new video, which should be every day this week, hopefully. And have a great day.